Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this triple stack pumpkin. I'm going to go in first and base coat my top pumpkin in the color of the Gulf. And all the paint I'll be using in this video is Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com, along with the cutout I'm painting and the brushes I'm using. This color I'm going in with now is Savannah Mist, and it's my favorite light gray color. It's perfect for this project. And the reason I love Dixie Belle, as you guys can tell, the coverage is excellent. So everything here is one coat. This color is Putty. And I actually think this might be what I use on my door this year. It's so cute. Now that it's dry, I'm going to go in with the color Chocolate, and I'm going to begin to add my spider legs, as I call them, to my pumpkin. So on my bottom pumpkin, I like to add 4 spider legs, and then I just highlight in between those spider legs with that chocolate color again. But on my top 2 pumpkins, just 2 spider legs will do. Again, highlighting a little bit. Add my stem to my middle 2 pumpkins, can't add one to the top. And then I'm going to go in with the color Putty, and I'm going to go over all my little brown lines except the very edges of my pumpkin. And I am going to do a little distressing down the side of my stem to kind of make it look like the sun is shining on it. And then for my bottom pumpkin, I'm going to highlight it with Savannah Mist, since I can't highlight it with Putty because it is the color Putty. So after that, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and the color Evergreen, and I'm going to do some loop-de-loops for vines. And whenever I paint vines, one trick I like to remind you guys of is to only do 2 loops. I feel like anything more than that can be too much, so just 1 to 2 loops, and then I like to do 2 to 3 vines. And then I want to go over those vines with the color Limeade just to brighten those up and add an extra color. This kind of just completes the vines to me. Anytime I highlight, it's kind of like the finishing step. And then that will actually complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.